In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how we made $10,211 with TikTok affiliate marketing using free traffic. And I made this commission just in 13 days, from the first day of July until the day 13th of July this month. Okay, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, CTR, people who used my affiliate link to buy those services or products, and so on. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys all my methods, all my strategies that helped me to earn this money. So you just need to copy and paste. Make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. I can click here and they have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, post back. You can scroll down and so on. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Okay, you need to search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, all you have to do is you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, all you have to do now is you need to choose a good services that you should start promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, go back to this Fiverr homepage, click on the search for TikTok shop. Okay, so since we will promote our affiliate links on TikTok, we will use services related to TikTok. Okay, so search for TikTok shop, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people will check those if those sellers are good sellers or not. If you use good sellers, people will buy those services from you and you will earn commission. I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one is level 2 seller, this one is level 2 seller, like this one. This one has a lot of reviews and he has almost 5 star. So what I will do, I will click on this seller service. So just click on this seller service that you want to use and you will be directly in his profile page on Fiverr like this. Okay, and as you can see guys, this seller has 9 orders in queue and over 100 reviews. Over 100 people paid for this service. So which people are buying this service? Of course, only people who has TikTok accounts, who want to grow their TikTok account. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy the link of this seller, copy the link of his profile page, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have tools and you will be directly in this page. Click on the link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. So before we do that, we will go back. Let me see. We will go back to this seller profile page. So let me show you. Let's go back to his profile page So what you will do, you will scroll down, click on his picture like this, just click on his picture. So we will record a video about his customers, okay, the feedback of his customers. Click on his picture. Let me show you. It's really super easy. And then what you will do is you will turn your screen recording on and keep clicking here, okay, like this. So your video should look like this. It's a slideshow video showing the feedback of his customers, okay. Let me show you. So just click on his picture like this, and you will be over here like this, and turn your screen recording on your PC and keep clicking here and record the feedback of his customers, okay. You can see this. And here you go. You will record the feedback of his customers. And as you can see, his customers are satisfied. A lot of people are happy with the result. This one, thank you. This one, 5-star, Hassan is amazing. Here's another one, he was very professional. Here is another one, satisfied. And after you record the feedback of his customers, what you will do, you will go back to Google and you need to search for Canva like this, okay. Search for Canva like this and just click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. So just click over here on create design and search for TikTok. Search for TikTok video. Over here, click on TikTok video and you will be directly in this page. All you have to do is you need to click again over here on upload, click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded on Fiverr about the feedback of this seller, okay. So your video will be over here uploaded to Canva. Click on your video. I already have this video here, as you can see. So make this video like this and make it like this, okay. Click over here on the background, click over here on background color and choose black color, okay. Here you go. Click on text and after you click on text, scroll down. Let me show you. Choose which text style you want to use. Just make sure it's good text. I'm going to use this one. It should be clear and people will understand what you will write with this text, okay. I'm gonna click on this text and we will put this one here. I'm gonna delete the second one and I will decrease the font size of this text. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my bio to get. So which let me see which service is this. To get TikTok shop, okay. To get, so let's go back. To get your TikTok shop, okay. Make it like this. So this will be your title like this, okay. And here you go. Check link in my bio to get your TikTok shop. Double click on this text and click over here on duplicate and you can put this one also here, okay. So those people who are interested to get TikTok shop, they will watch your video, they will see this check link in my bio to get TikTok shop, and in your bio of your TikTok account you will put your affiliate link. Okay, so let's check this video, and it's your own video, and please guys, use trending music. Okay, to keep people watching your video, use trending music. See which music are trending on TikTok in this week, or and use it. Okay, because it's really helpful. And here you go. After you finish, click on share, click over here on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account. It's for free, and TikTok, guys, has 2 billion monthly visitors. You guys don't know the potential of TikTok. You can get so much traffic from TikTok. People uploading stupid videos and getting a million of views. You really need to start promoting your affiliate links on TikTok. It's for free. If you, and the best part with TikTok is that it doesn't matter if you have 1 followers, 2 followers, or 3 followers, or 0 followers. Your videos can go viral. Okay, and if just one video go viral, this video can change your life. This video can make you a lot of money. Okay, you guys don't know the potential of TikTok. You should start promoting your affiliate links on TikTok. Click over here on upload this video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. If you guys just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, and go and put your affiliate link in your bio in your TikTok account, and that's it, and start promoting those services related to TikTok. You can make a lot of money with this method if you do it correctly, if you stay consistent, if you create good videos. You can really make a lot of money. Okay, and those services are already people buying these services. Go to Fiverr, the proof, go to your Fiverr homepage, and you can see how many reviews those sellers have. A lot of sellers here has a lot of reviews. A lot of people are buying those services related to TikTok. Okay, you can see here, and that's it. You just need to stay consistent and keep making good videos that you will use to promote your services as an affiliate marketer. And that's how you can make money with TikTok affiliate marketing using free traffic. That's how I made this commission. I'm using TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and so much more to earn this commission. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.